Namaste. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we are doing EFT for depression. So let's dive into it. So once again, sit down and find how depressed do you feel in the scale of 0 to 10. Where are you? Whether it's 5, 7 or 10. So whatever that is, remember that number and begin to tap onto your left hand karate chop part and say, even though I have this depression, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I have this depression, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I had this depression, or even though I'm feeling this depressed, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I had this depressed feeling, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself and I forgive myself. Now facial points onto your eyebrow. Feeling depressed, 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 feeling depressed. This depression, this depression, this depression. Onto your elbow, this depression, this depression, this depression. Now take a long deep breath. And now see where is your number. Has it changed from 10 somewhere else, like 5 or 4 even? So whatever that is, remember that number. If it's gone, it's good. If it's still remaining, let's continue doing some more tappings. Let's go back to the karate chop area and let's karate chop this way. Even though I still have some of the remaining depression, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I have some of the remaining depression left, I deeply, completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have some of the remaining depression left, still I completely love myself, accept myself, and forgive myself. This depression, some of the remaining depression, some of the remaining depression, under the armpit, some of the remaining depression, some of the remaining depression onto your shoulder, some of the remaining depression downward and throw the energy away. So we are doing this way, this depression and throw away. Make sure you're throwing out of the door, so not inside your room. This depression, some of the remaining depression, take a long deep breath and see how it is. It should normally be gone, or it must be gone down to even 1 or 2. If it's livable, you can stop here. If you feel that you still need some more tappings, go ahead, tap some of the points that we just did and just keep doing the tappings till the name that we named before, whether it's anxiety, depression, self-pity, whatever that is gone. So once the depressed feeling is gone, and after that, if you still feel something else is coming, so then you can just close your eyes, become aware, what is it? What is it that you're still feeling? And try to name it if it's possible. For example, whether it's frustration, self-pity, or anger, or self-anger, or hatred, whatever that is, you can just go ahead and tap first karate chop 3 times, even though I have this, blah, blah, blah. I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. And after that, some of the points in the facial area and tap away any negative thoughts or feeling or emotion you have. So I thank you to all who joined me in this video. Keep practicing it, keep tapping your negative emotions away, and keep me updated. Don't forget to comment below so that I know how the EFT is helping you, as well as share with somebody who might be needing it. Thank you very much for joining me, Therapy with Amit, and I hope to see you in my next session. Namaste.